Yo, 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 what's up, guys? I'm back again with another video. Guys, this time it's on a twist, natural twist, lemonade. As you guys see right there, it's what the bottle look like right here. Natural twist, lemonade. Now, I got the last little bit. My wife been drinking it up. She says it's good. I never had it before. But you pick this up out of Walmart for $1. All Walmarts doesn't have it. But if y'all do, y'all look for it and see. The y'all Walmart have this. It's called Naturals Twist Lemonade. Okay? So, no further ado. Let's see what it's tasting like. Here we go. Set the bottle aside. Natural Twist Lemonade. Got me something pulled up in here. Now let's see what it tastes like. It's sweet, pretty tangy. It's real sweet and tangy. It reminds me a lot of kind of remind me of Simply Lemonade. If you guys had Simply Lemonade before, it reminds me of that. It's sweet and it contains 1% juice, low sodium. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now, let's get into some of the nutrition facts. Amount per serving, 8 ounces. Calories, 110 per 8 ounces. Total fat, 0 grams. Sodium, 30 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 27 grams. Sugars, 27 grams. Proteins, 0 grams. Vitamin C, 2%. And it does have, once again, contain 1% juice. Alright, so this is $1 at your local Walmart. Now, like I said, all Walmarts doesn't have this. So just shop around in there, see that your Walmart have it. Once again, my glare. It's called Natural Twist Lemonade. Bring it in so you guys can get a good look at the bottle. This is really good. On a scale of 1 through 5, what I rate this? I give it a 5. 5 stars, guys. It is really good. It's a good lemonade. You guys will love it. Give it a try. Pick it up at Walmart for $1. This is a 2-liter. You can't beat it. And we give it another try. Okay. Here we go again. All right. Very good. Sweet. It's cold. It's tangy. Lemonade is what it look like. It's delicious. Highly recommend you guys give it a try. I also did an orangeade for you guys. This is good. Very good. So, give it a try. Pick it up out of Walmart. Like I said, all Walmarts doesn't have this. So you guys kind of have to shop around and see what Walmart's carry this one. Mine's carry it, but I don't know about y'all's. Okay? But anyway, that concludes the review. Those of you new to my channel, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Share my videos with your family and friends. And till next time, you guys take care, man. I'll hit y'all on the next video. We're out of here. Peace.